If you've been trying to save your first $10,000 using a traditional big bank savings account, I'm going to tell you a hard truth. You are fighting an uphill battle. While major legacy banks give you a fraction of a percent in interest, inflation is quietly stealing your hard-earned cash every single month. But the good news? Financial technology has completely flipped the script. Today, I'm breaking down the exact modern system to automate your cash flow, leverage high-yield tools, and hit your first 10 grand faster than you think. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Code and Cash, where we decode modern personal finance and tech automation. If you want to build wealth smarter, not harder, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's look at the blueprint. Let's start with why most people fail to save. We were taught to put our money in the closest local bank, open a savings account, and forget about it. Here's why that fails today. Traditional banks rely on your comfort. They offer you a pathetic 0.01% interest rate because they know you won't move your money. Meanwhile, they take your capital, lend it out at much higher rates, and keep the massive profits for themselves. To hit $10,000, your money needs to actively work for you. And that starts by cutting ties with low-yield accounts and moving to the FinTech ecosystem. This is where modern financial technology steps in. Online-only banks and FinTech platforms don't have expensive physical branches to maintain. Because of that, they pass those savings directly back to you through high-yield savings accounts. Right now, top platforms are offering yields sitting comfortably around 4 to 5%. If you keep $10,000 in a traditional bank for a year, you make about $1. Put that exact same 10 grand in a high-yield digital vault, and you're making $400 to $500 passively. That is entirely free money, generated purely by upgrading your software stack. Knowing about high-yield accounts isn't enough. You need a system that removes human willpower entirely. Here's the 3-step automation blueprint. First, keep your monthly fixed expenses like rent, bills, and groceries in a primary digital checking account. Second, set up an automatic weekly or monthly transfer. As soon as your paycheck hits, siphon a fixed percentage, say 15 or 20%, straight into your high-yield savings vault. Third, disconnect that savings account from your daily debit card. Make it intentionally slightly harder to withdraw from, so you aren't tempted to spend it. When saving becomes 100% automated, hitting $10,000 stops being a stressful goal and starts happening quietly in the background. Building your first major financial milestone isn't about working 2 jobs. It's about optimizing the money you already make using smart tech tools. Drop a comment below. Are you currently using a high-yield account, or are you still stuck with traditional banking? Let me know your favorite app. If this video gave you clarity today, smash the like button, subscribe to Code and Cash, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay optimized.